I'm sure you've heard the news. Tigers are incredible hunters, but have you ever wondered how they do it? Tigers are the ultimate stealth predators. They rely on their striped coat to blend into the jungle. With eyes locked on their prey, they move oh so quietly, inching closer and closer. Once within striking distance, they burst into a sprint, reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour. Their powerful jaws clench down on the neck, ensuring a swift end. Fun fact: a tiger's roar can paralyze prey with fear from up to 2 miles away. Fascinating, right? That's how the majestic tiger rules the jungle. Stay curious, wildlife enthusiasts. See you in the next wild adventure.